What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we are looking at the WinBridge PA system. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and Android, and a bunch of unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. And today we're looking at the WinBridge H5 loudspeaker portable PA system. We're going to go ahead and unbox this little guy right here. It's quite a big unboxing, and there's a bunch of functionality for this guy, as you can see there. There you go. Pretty crazy. We have UHF, long distance wireless microphone, digital song. So for those of you who loves karaoke, Filipinos out there who are watching right now, karaoke time, right? All the other Asians, my buddies out there. It also reads a micro SD card, a TF card they call it, a USB player you can plug in your phone, aux in, and also a stereo radio. We're gonna test all this out and see how well it does and how loud this speaker goes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. It's quite the unboxing experience, as you can see there. So the first thing we pull out here is the user manual. Put that aside. Radio. This is quite the contraption here, but we'll test it out how well it fits on my face later on. A bunch of cables, but I will pull out the actual PA system now. There you go. That's it for the box. Let's put that away. USB, micro USB cable, and a headphone jack. There you go. It also has a plug-in, USB plug-in. There you go. It's good for 100 to 240 volts, so you don't need a transformer or anything like that. Let's take it out of the plastic.
Bluetooth is waiting for a connection.
Wow, right away. There you go. Let's open this guy up. So as you can see, this PA system has a lot going for it. It has a lot of functionalities. Pretty much you can use this for your phone, use your computer with the mic in, aux in, all that jazz. You can even use this for your guitar, or as long as you have a converter. As you can see, it's powered up already. You don't need to have it plugged in, so you can, it's very portable. I'll have to see how long the battery lasts, but I'm sure it lasts for a long time. This is also a pretty light device, like it's not heavy or it's not light, it's just, in the mid-range. You'll be able to hook it up or something on your side or whatever, and you'll be able to get that going for you. The ports we have here is a headphone jack, DC 5 volt mic in. It also has an aux in, so that's separate. So you have essentially 2 ports right here. So you can have a converter for your an instrument, or even another mic, aux in, and the mic. It also has a USB port for your iPhone, for your smartphone. There you go. So let's go ahead and pair our phone. says that the Bluetooth is already ready.
Bluetooth is connected.
And there you go. My phone right now is at 50%, so you can see that. The PA system. There you go. It's pretty good. Now it says here that it's good for a 3,000 square footage building. So this you can use outside in a big hall or maybe a big church. Maybe use it for a youth night and maybe your kids are too loud, or maybe in the daycare center or something like that. And you want to get their attention by doing an announcement. This is a perfect device for you. For example, you're having a happy birthday, you're having a birthday party for your kids and you want to get attention for people and you want a portable speaker. This is the best for you. Now let's go ahead and test out the other functions. So here we go. Let's go ahead and test out the functionalities of the WinBridge PA system. Let's go ahead and test that out. So to turn this on, it's right there. Press on. And as you can see, it starts to work. I'm not sure how this is supposed to go on. Let's see here. I will figure this out. Oh, here we go. I found it. I found the ways. Hello. So we're trying to buy, or we're trying to sell this PA system. Anyone wants to buy? Oh, this is funny. This is so... It does work. Don't get me wrong. It just looks kind of funny. Oh, it has the volume button right here. So hello. Oh, we're trying to feedback. Let's put it on the side. Hello. There you go. Check. So you can change the volume right up there. You can also change the signal up there. Another button. So for example, you're in an event and you want to yell at kids and yell at your parents or yell at other parents on the soccer game. Hey, pay attention, we're trying to promote the 50-50 here or something like that. Then this will work very well. Now the other function of the WinBridge is the FM radio. As you can see right there, the M, you can go ahead and press that. Long hold it. And you can press pause and play. And you can find your station. So to change the stations, all you need to do is click the next to see. There you go. If you click one, if you click it just once, then it'll scrub through the stations like that. But if you hold it, it'll seek the next station, the closest station possible. There you go. And play and pause right there. Now let's test out the setup for the karaoke. So what you need to do is a device that has a functionality of a YouTube or maybe a computer or something like that. Now you'll have to hook that up onto this PA system. hook up a mic through one of the jacks, or use the provided mic that they give you, like that. And then you put this on, just like that. Set it all up, and good to go. There we go. And now all I'm using here is my phone. I'm just gonna go to YouTube and play Bye 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 by NSYNC. So here we go. Please don't judge me on my bad singing. Hey, hey. Ba, ba, ba. Off already, man. And here you can even record by a long pressing. And there you go. So now to do a recording, you need to have a TF card or a micro SD card. What you'll need is a micro SD card. We'll put it on and install that right now. We'll put this on. We'll record.
Start recording.
Hello, hello. This is a recording from the mic that is provided with the WinBridge.
Play recording.
Let's try that again with the higher volume for the mic.
Start recording.
Hello, hello. This is the recording for the WinBridge microphone.
Play recording.
For the WinBridge microphone. So this is a recording from the mic that is provided with the WinBridge. Hello, hello. This is the recording for the WinBridge microphone. As you can see there, it actually records very well, but it's just that because I'm really close to it, that the feedback tends to happen. So next time when you are recording with this PA system, make sure that it's not too close to your face. And it also picks up very well. It does play a little bit meek at first, but once you turn up the volume, you'll be able to hear the full extent of it. So for example, you want to hook this up on another speaker, then you can hook up your another speaker. Another way you can hook up maybe you have an old MP3 player, or you don't have an iPhone or anything like that. Maybe you have an old PA system or whatever. Here what we're gonna do is use the aux in to
Audio in mode.
to an old phone that we have here. This is an iPhone with a headphone jack. There you go. So let's test out the functionalities above right here. So here the play and pause only works, it doesn't work on YouTube, it only works on your actual music app. In this case we're using the Apple Music. Yeah, baby. Next. Next. Previous. There you go. This PA system works very well for me. It's quite a small device. It's not very heavy, like I said earlier, and it puts out great sound, very loud sound as well. During our tests, I was only using 50% of capacity because we are in a small room. But imagine if you are in a bigger room, this is the device you need so that you'll be able to get the attention of other people, play some music, and even more. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing slash initial review of the WinBridge H5 loudspeaker. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well so you're notified of the next videos to come. Hit the like button, and I'll link this down in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a good day. Stay safe out there. Peace.